Shapes name. Various shapes. How many shapes do you know the names of?
Circle, circle. Ball is circle. Triangle, triangle. Sandwich is triangle. Square, square. Dice is square. Cross mark, cross mark. Cross is cross mark. Pentagram, pentagram. Starfish is pentagram. Heart, heart. Cardiac is heart. Hexagram, hexagram. Flower is hexagram. Oval, oval. Egg is oval. Pentagon, pentagon. House is pentagon. Trapezoid, trapezoid. Pudding is trapezoid. Rectangle, rectangle. Window is rectangle. Hexagon, hexagon. Beehive is hexagon. Parallelogram, parallelogram. Cable car is parallelogram. Quarter circle, quarter circle. Folding fan is quarter circle. Crescent, crescent. Smiling mouth is crescent.
How many shapes have you learned the names of?